Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ziti pasta. Begin by selecting a large pot, ensuring it is big enough for the pasta to expand comfortably. Pour 4 quarts of water into the pot for every 1 pound of ziti you plan to cook. Then, add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt to the water. This step is crucial, as the salt enhances the pasta's flavor from the inside out, making every bite more delicious. Once your salted water reaches a vigorous, rolling boil, it is time to add the ziti pasta. Carefully pour the pasta into the pot, ensuring you do not overcrowd it. Immediately stir the pasta with a long spoon or tongs. This crucial step prevents the ziti pieces from sticking together and ensures even cooking. Keep the heat high to maintain that rolling boil, allowing the pasta to cook properly. Cook your ziti pasta for approximately 11 to 13 minutes, or according to the specific instructions on your pasta package. Cooking times can vary slightly, so always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. To achieve that perfect al dente texture, taste a piece of pasta when the timer is almost up. Al dente means it should be firm to the bite, offering a slight resistance without being hard or mushy. Before draining, position a colander securely in your sink. Carefully and slowly pour the entire pot of ziti and hot water into the colander, allowing the water to drain away. Give the colander a gentle shake to ensure all excess water is removed from the pasta. It is important not to rinse the pasta after draining. Rinsing washes away the beneficial starches needed for sauces to adhere well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.